This house has water pressure over 100 psi. This dream house on Walnut might turn into a nightmare on Elm Street. Take a look. Look at this guy. Boing! Over 100 psi. And this could cause some serious problems in this house. But let's take a look at what the real problem is and how you fix it. Hold on a second, I'm going to run to the water heater. Okay, in most homes, you would see some type of bladder tank around here. It's a big round tank and a pressure relief valve somewhere. But on this water heater, it's kind of an older water heater built in '99, installed in '99, has no bladder tank to allow the pressure to be absorbed from the street into the tank, and then it reproduces the water at a lower PSI. So what's the big deal? Well, over 100 PSI can rupture these connections here. I've seen houses over 85 PSI with newer homes where the connections under the sink and next to the toilets can rupture. So that's what over